Bossman 4010 fixed column double-sided milling machine. The two-sided columns adopt a middle box structure. Rails, guide rails, and one rod lead screw share the force. The power head ram is installed in the middle of the column, reciprocating up and down along the column guide rails. Power head hard rail square structure. Sectional size 360-360. Move back and forth along the saddle of the column Z-axis. X-axis work table with a 4-meter travel distance. Reciprocating laterally along the fixed bed guide rail. The maximum feeding width of the equipment is 1.6 meters. Within the effective travel range, perform drilling, milling, tapping, boring and other processing on the workpiece. The machine tool uses a gearbox transmission power head. Realize low-speed heavy cutting and high-speed fast-forward processing effect. It is a powerful tool for processing in the construction machinery industry.